Now, if you're going the other way, if you're trying to represent a base 10 number in base 12, we've done work like this but with different base number systems, you still construct your place values based on powers of 12. You're going to need a ones place. You're going to need a 12s place. Although at this point we should ask ourselves, how many ones can I have in base 12? You can have as many as 11 ones in base 12. In the same way in base 10, you can have as many as 9 ones, one less than the base number, because don't forget 0 is one of the numbers, or one of the digits I should say. So I can go as high as 11 here, and 11 12s here, so that's 132 and 11 is 143, so I need to go higher. I need to go to 144 if I want anything higher than 144. I'm trying to get to 2016. We know 2013 was 4 digits, so it's probably 4 digits, but let's check. 12 to the second power is the 144's place. And we learned in the last slide, when I had so much trouble with my multiplication, that 1728 is 12 to the third power. Now, I can have as many as 11 of these. I don't need more than one. If I had 2 of them, I'd be over 3,400. So I've got enough digits. I don't need to go to the 12 to the 4th place. But it is important to understand there is a 12 to the 4th place in a base 12 system, and a 12 to the 5th, and a 12 to the 6th, on to infinity. So there's no number that you can't represent in base 12 that you can represent in base 10. In fact, your numbers would be shorter. Some numbers that take 6 digits in base 10 could be represented with 5 digits in base 12, because we have more symbols representing values. So now is when we go shopping. I want 2016. Well, I want 1 1728. I don't want 2. 2 would be too many. But 1 1728 would be 1728. And then you find out how much more do I need. I wanted to represent 2016, and so far I've represented 1728. 16 minus 8 is 8. I need to borrow here, which makes this a 10. Then borrow here, which makes that a 9. 10 minus 2 is 8. 9 minus 7 is 2. And I like to check myself by adding that 288 back to the 1728. That would be 19. And another 100 would be 2,000. And 8 and 8 is 16. 2016, that's what I started with. So I feel good about that 288. Oh, in fact, 288 is 2 144s. So exactly 2 144s would give me the 288 I need, which must mean I have a 0 in the 12's place and a 0 in the 1's place. Because these two, just these two add-ends together give me the 2016. So the year 2016 in base 10 would be the year 1200 in base 12.